Hello everyone, welcome to Analytic Solutions channel. In this chapter, we'll learn how to extract domain names from email IDs. In this Excel, we have a list of email IDs. We'll see how we can extract the domain names from these email IDs. We just have to mention the domain name. Select this cell and press Ctrl E. We'll get all the domain names listed. Suppose if you want to get only the company name, not the .com or .in, we have to just mention only the company name. Select the cell and press Ctrl E. We'll get the company name. We can also use the tabs here to get this result. We can go to this Home tab. Here we have this flash fill, and if we click on this, we'll get the result. We can also do this by going to this Data tab and click on this flash fill. So this is how we can extract the domain names or the company names from the email IDs given. Thank you so much for watching this video.